In this video, we will learn how to download and install the Mac driver for use with our MA2600cwfx printer. We must first print out a status page on the MA2600cwfx. Press the System menu counter hard key, select Notification/Report, select Print Report/List, select Status Page. A message will appear on the display stating, "This will be printed. Are you sure?" Status page. Select Print. The message, "Accepted," will appear on the display and the machine will print out a status page consisting of 2 pages. On the second page, we will find Network, and down the page, the IP address will be listed. Write down the IP address. We'll need it later. To set up this printer on a Mac computer, go to the Mac and type in Kyocera.info. This will take us to the Download Center. In the Refine the Product area, type in MA2600. Now click on the Kyocera MA2600cwfx. Select the operating system from the drop-down arrow. In this example, it will be Mac OS X 10.9 or later. Scroll down the page and find the Mac printer driver. Click on the blue Download button. A license agreement will appear. Scroll to the bottom and click on the Agree to Contract and Download button. Once the file has downloaded, it will appear in the download folder as Kyocera OS X 10.9 plus file ending in .dmg will appear. Double-click on this file. 3 options will appear. The Kyocera OS X 10.9 plus web build package file, the Mac driver setup guide, and the uninstaller file. Double-click on the first option. Click Continue. Click Continue again. Click Continue one more time. To continue installing the software, we must click on Agree. If the installer appears, would like to access files on a removable volume, select Allow. If a message window appears asking to install for all users of this computer, select Continue. Next, click on Install. If a password is asked for, type it in. Select the Install Software button. The installation will begin. This may take a few minutes, so please be patient. When the install is completed, a green check mark will appear. Click on Close. Go to System Preferences and click on Printers and Scanners. The Printers and Scanners window will now appear. Select the Add Printer, Scanner, or Fax button. Select the IP icon located here. Type in the IP address from the status page we printed earlier. Assure that the protocol is Line Printer Daemon LPD. Under Name, we find the IP address we used. If this needs to be changed to another name, just type it in. In this example, we are leaving the name as the IP address. Under Use, select the drop-down arrow. Press on Select Software. The printer software window will now appear. Find and highlight the Kyocera Ecosys MA2600cwfx KPDL option. Select OK. Under Location, we can type in whatever we want. Click on Add. The software will begin setting up the device via the IP address. Select OK. We will find the printer name listed here. In this example, it is the name we left it as, which is the IP address. Click on the printer. We can see the name of the printer is the IP address. The kind is listed as Kyocera MA2600cwfx KPDL. We can make this our default printer by clicking on the Set Default Printer button located here. When finished, select Done. We have now downloaded and installed the Mac driver for the new MA2600cwfx printer.